The Carpuride W903 screen right here, I can keep my phone in my pocket and I can access all my phone information. For example, I got my maps, I got my music, I can start playing my music right here and it will play through my car stereo. You can see right here, I can up and down the volume, it connects to my car stereo. Now there's a couple ways for this to connect to your car stereo, whether you have a new car, old car, it doesn't matter. It uses either a 3.5mm audio cable, which I recommend because that's the easiest and clearest way. It also works with Bluetooth, it also works with FM transmission, so you can set up a frequency right here, FM, and then you set the same frequency on the Carpuride and it'll connect and it works really good. Or you can just play with the speaker behind here and they make good sound too. Now this one is more than just CarPlay, because if you go to the main menu right here, you can go to home, you can see it has CarPlay, Android Auto, it has AirPlay, and let me go back here. So it has AirPlay and Android Cast. So these are two screen mirroring, so you'll mirror exactly what's on your phone. And these are CarPlay and Android Auto, which has car focused apps, which I really like. And you see I can tap right there and go right to it. And the lag is minimal on this. It works really nice. You can scroll right here and you can slide through it. You can access your message, you can access your music, you can access your map and other things as well. But not only that, this thing also has a dash cam. So if I go right here, I can see I have a nice dash cam. And this one is a sharp 2.5K dash cam. See, 2.5K dash cam. And then this thing also, it can move up and down based on how you install it. Like if you have a big dash, you can move this up or down. It's really cool. And my favorite part is this thing can actually rotate around, so you can have an inside camera right here. It's pretty crazy, right? And this is amazing because it also records audio too. So very nice dash cam. And it has the option to set up a backup camera if you want to as well. Some kits come with the backup camera. This one did not, but it's up to you on if you want a backup camera. And all this is recorded on onboard SD as well. Really nice. And if I want to go back here, I can click on home and then back to the home screen and back to CarPlay. Super easy to use. This is a game changer. I really like it. It has changed my experience in my car, and this is a very old car, a 2007 Honda S2000, and now I feel like I'm in the modern future again with this Carpuride W903. This is amazing and it works really well. Highly recommend this thing. This thing is great. Oh yeah.